So talking about the manipulation, again, you're the experts, not I, but coming to Davos for years, you see that little dog robot walking on the street, and like that doesn't like have a brain. Isn't the breakthrough here that we're building robots that are going to be able to think and reason more on their own?
I'd like to comment a little bit about the robot hand. I personally have tried to live with only 3 fingers and only do this action. I personally have tried that for several hours. Yeah, life is just fine. Yeah, of course I failed to use chopsticks, but I can use spoon and knife say instead. Yeah, so seriously, so you can also try. Actually, I encourage that. Yeah, I think it's justify my opinion that we don't need say human level dexterity to enable robot to do many useful things. Yeah, so you can try that say at home. Yeah, it's not that dangerous. That's why say I'm depicting a so-called say graduated autonomy and intelligent robot. It's not like say suddenly we got a robot that can do every action we human can carry out. It's like okay, robot of all kind, maybe with 3 fingers, or say with 1 arm, or say 1 arm on a dog. Yeah, who knows? Yeah, so all kinds of robot in certain applications. Yeah, performing certain tasks very reliably. Yeah, so that's the near future. I mean, future in several hundred days. So I'm visioning. Yeah, of course, I say I also share say the further future vision. Yeah, but I think we don't need to wait say until say the whole humanoid or robot hand to be very advanced. And I'd like to comment to that robot dog thing. There are 3 major directions in robot abilities. Yeah, say navigation, locomotion, and manipulation. Locomotion is basically about dancing, yeah, parkour thing. Yeah, navigation is about walking around. Yeah, say find out where I am and how to go to somewhere else. And manipulation is what Professor Ross just mentioned. Yeah, say to move around things to operations. Yeah, so currently what's missing? Well, what prevents robots to be super useful in our daily life or manufacturing or logistics is mainly about the manipulation. But we see very concrete and fast advancement in recent days. We don't need Einstein level of intelligence, because I really like visiting zoos. Yeah, when I lived in Munich, I was in the zoo of Munich every say maybe 2 months. Yeah, so we can find say animals doesn't know any idea about language doing perfect manipulation. Yeah, say like squirrel monkey this big, probably with a 30-gram brain, can do perfect manipulation. So it's not that far away from us, I would say.
Just listening to you all, though, it is the human being doing what you do must find that the human being is remarkable, like all the different ingredients, the brain, the skin.